Introducing the Hyundai HDC6 Neptune, the future of hydrogen-powered trucking. This groundbreaking concept truck blends retro-futuristic style with cutting-edge hydrogen fuel cell technology. Drawing inspiration from the sleek 1930s and 1940s streamliner railway trains, the HDC6 Neptune features a striking design with a unique front grille that improves airflow and includes retractable steps for easy access, all while eliminating the need for a traditional hood. This design not only enhances efficiency but also maximizes interior space. Named after Neptune, the Roman god of the seas, this truck symbolizes hydrogen's promise as a clean, sustainable energy source. Hyundai's vision for the HDC6 Neptune aims to develop a robust fuel cell system specifically for heavy-duty trucks, setting the stage for a greener future in transportation. With plans for a launch in just 3 to 4 years, the HDC6 Neptune is pushing the limits of what's possible in eco-friendly trucking. A powerful step towards clean, efficient, and sustainable transport, shaping the future of logistics. Big power, zero emissions. The Volvo VNR Electric is redefining what a heavy-duty truck can be. Built for city streets and short hauls, this all-electric powerhouse delivers up to 275 miles on a single charge. Its massive 565 kilowatt-hours battery charges to 80% in just 90 minutes, keeping downtime low and productivity high. The VNR Electric doesn't just run clean, it runs smart. With Volvo Active Driver Assist in a high-strength steel cab, it's engineered for safety at every turn. The interior? Quiet, spacious, and built to reduce driver fatigue on long shifts. Designed for maneuverability and loaded with advanced tech, it handles urban traffic with ease. Plus, it comes in multiple configurations to suit a range of commercial needs. In a world chasing cleaner transport, this truck leads by example. No tailpipe, no compromise. Because the future of trucking isn't coming, it's already here.
Ever seen a forklift that blends power, precision, and portability? Meet the Wesco Lift, a compact material handling beast built to move up to 1,000 pounds with ease. With a towering lift height of 76 inches and extra-wide 3 by 30-inch forks that drop right to the floor, loading becomes almost effortless. Safety's baked in too. You get a remote control, a floor lock, and a protective screen to keep operators in control and out of harm's way. Running on a 12 volts DC battery, it's smart enough to operate even while charging. No downtime, just non-stop performance. Its reinforced steel frame and double-chain lift system mean it's not just strong, it's built to last. This isn't just another warehouse tool. It redefines how small teams handle heavy loads, faster, safer, and smarter. At $4,358, it's more than a piece of equipment, it's a long-term partner for your toughest industrial jobs. The future of efficient lifting? It's already here, and it's called Wesco.
What if long-haul trucks were more like smart homes on wheels, and left zero emissions behind? Meet the Iveco Z truck. This futuristic concept isn't just built to move freight, it's built to move the industry forward. Powered by biomethane from biogas, its next-gen LNG engine keeps emissions ultra-low while delivering high performance on the road. Packed with 29 patented innovations, the Z truck maximizes energy efficiency with features like waste heat recovery and smart aerodynamics. Inside, it's all about the driver. The cab adapts to different driving modes, urban, highway, or autonomous, and even expands when parked. Need to rest? There's a fold-out bed, kitchenette, shower, and entertainment wall waiting. Tech plays a huge role too. The smart windshield displays real-time driving data, while connected Michelin tires enhance safety in all conditions. With comfort, sustainability, and intelligence all in one sleek design, the Iveco Z truck isn't just rethinking transport, it's reinventing the journey. Because the future of trucking isn't just efficient, it's human-centered and emissions-free. What if an 82,000-pound truck could hit 60 miles per hour in just 20 seconds? Meet the Tesla Semi. This electric beast is rewriting the rules of trucking. Powered by 3 independent motors, It delivers jaw-dropping torque and smooth acceleration, even at full load. On a single charge, it can travel up to 500 miles. Need a quick boost? You'll get 70% range back in just 30 minutes with Tesla's fast chargers. But it's not just about speed, it's about savings. The Semi uses under 2 kilowatt-hours per mile, slashing fuel costs by up to $150,000 in just 3 years. Its sleek design isn't just for looks either, it cuts drag and helps maximize efficiency. Inside, the driver sits center stage for improved visibility and control. Add in advanced safety systems and a low rollover risk, and you've got a rig that's built to protect both cargo and people. With the Tesla Semi, the future of freight is faster, safer, and smarter, and it runs on electricity.
Stuck in the mud? This truck rocks its way out, literally. Meet the rock-free function, a clever feature built to help drivers escape sticky situations. Think deep snow, soft sand, or thick mud. With just a gentle press on the gas pedal, this system lets your vehicle rock itself back and forth, gradually regaining traction where others would stall. Integrated directly into the truck's gearbox, it's seamless, intuitive, and surprisingly smooth. No jerky movements. No aggressive throttling, just controlled motion that gets you moving again. Whether you're navigating off-road trails or facing unpredictable job site terrain, this feature transforms how trucks handle tough conditions. It boosts maneuverability, keeps operations running, and gives drivers one less thing to worry about. In a world where vehicles are expected to do more, the rock-free function quietly changes the game, one escape at a time.
What if your next delivery truck didn't even have a driver's seat? Meet the Volvo Vera, a sleek, fully autonomous electric truck built to move freight with zero human input. Vera isn't just driverless, it's a glimpse into the future of freight. Designed for short, repetitive routes in places like ports and industrial hubs, this electric hauler is all about precision, sustainability, and non-stop efficiency. Its low-slung, streamlined body carries heavy loads while staying whisper-quiet and emissions-free. With built-in connectivity and remote monitoring, Vera constantly shares real-time data, no driver needed. Its all-electric powertrain cuts down on pollution and maintenance, while its autonomous system reduces operational costs and boosts productivity across the board. Though exact pricing remains under wraps, the focus is clear: smarter logistics, safer roads, and a cleaner planet. Volvo Vera doesn't just transport goods, it transports us into a new era of automation.
Meet the beast built for the toughest hauls. ZT Trailer's heavy-duty innovation pulls no punches. This trailer isn't just big, it's built like a tank. With a 12.6-meter-long deck, rugged 3mm Hardox 450 steel flooring, and a frame made from high-strength Strenx 700 or S355 steel, it's ready to take on serious loads without flinching. The grid-structured frame can handle extreme pressure points, while 12x2 multi-locks line the edges, making cargo securement fast and reliable. Need easy access? 6 hinged aluminum side panels swing open with ease. Underneath, it's powered by 3 high-performance 160-bar hydraulic cylinders from Hydromass's Gold Series, ensuring smooth, controlled operation. Riding on 3 VX axles, each built to carry 9 tons, with one liftable for flexibility. This trailer is all about smart load handling. From construction zones to industrial transport, it's redefining what durability and efficiency look like on the road. ZT's trailer isn't just made to carry weight, it's made to carry the future of heavy transport. What if your trailer could cool itself, without burning a single drop of fuel? The Kogel E-Cool is revolutionizing refrigerated transport with a 100% carbon dioxide-free cooling system. It captures braking energy to charge a powerful 23 kWh battery, delivering up to 10 hours of fully electric cooling, no diesel required. Need even more juice? Solar panels on the roof generate an extra 11.8 kWh each day, keeping operations smooth and sustainable. Inside, cutting-edge Hydromass Gold Series tech reduces diesel use by up to 3 liters per 100 kilometers when needed, combining performance with serious savings. Designed for modern cities and overnight deliveries, its all-electric drive slashes noise and emissions, perfect for clean, quiet logistics in crowded urban areas. This isn't just a trailer, it's a bold step toward greener, smarter transport. The Kogel E-Cool doesn't follow the future of freight, it's driving it.
Revolutionizing long-haul trucking, the Volvo FH Aero is here to change the game. This truck combines impressive fuel efficiency with cutting-edge aerodynamics, reducing fuel consumption by up to 7% compared to standard models. Powered by Volvo's D13 engine, it delivers up to 500 horsepower, ensuring it can handle heavy-duty hauls with ease. Inside, the FH Aero is built for comfort, offering a spacious cabin, advanced infotainment, and ergonomic features that make long drives more enjoyable. Its sleek design doesn't just look good, it's engineered for superior performance, providing both stability and efficiency on the road. Though exact pricing is not disclosed, the Volvo FH Aero is clearly designed to cut operational costs while delivering top-tier technology and sustainability. It's a smart choice for operators who want to stay competitive and embrace the future of trucking. The FH Aero isn't just a truck, it's a glimpse into the next era of transport, where performance and efficiency go hand in hand.
No tipping, no tilting, just smooth, horizontal unloading at the push of a button. The Napra moving floor system transforms how cargo is handled, using hydraulic power to load and unload materials safely and efficiently, all without raising the trailer. It's a game changer, especially in tight spaces, uneven ground, or height-restricted areas where traditional tipping just won't cut it. With a trailer length of 13.67 meters, a height of 4 meters, and a massive 88 cubic meter capacity, this system is built to move serious loads. Its 3-axle design supports up to 27 tons, while the fifth wheel handles another 18, giving it the muscle for demanding jobs. Customizable aluminum floor planks, available in smooth or ribbed textures, and multiple thicknesses, let you tailor the setup to your cargo, whether it's bulk goods or general freight. From safety to adaptability, this system doesn't just move cargo, it moves the industry forward, one level load at a time. What if your trailer could fold itself up when it's not in use? This one can. This game-changing trailer comes equipped with a smart hydraulic system that folds the entire unit onto the towing vehicle in minutes. The result? Easier turns, tighter parking, and smoother rides through narrow or rugged routes. But it's not just about agility, this design also cuts costs. By reducing the trailer's size when empty, it helps drivers avoid unnecessary load taxes, boosting overall efficiency. Its quick folding mechanism makes loading and unloading more flexible and keeps operations moving fast. No wasted space, no wasted time. In an industry where every second and cent counts, this trailer turns mobility into a major advantage. It's not just a trailer, it's a smarter way to move. Meet the skip loader that lifts like a beast, and thinks like a machine. The High Titan 2.0 is built for serious container handling, flexing lifting power between 12 to 18 tons. Designed for trucks with a gross vehicle weight of 16 to 26 tons, it's a perfect match for heavy-duty demands. Its dual-arm system moves in perfect sync, ensuring smooth, balanced lifts every time. Need speed? This machine can unload in just 15 seconds, cutting downtime and keeping jobs on schedule. With radio remote control, operators stay at a safe distance without losing control. Optional onboard weighing systems add extra precision, reducing guesswork and maximizing load efficiency. Whether you're in construction, waste management, or industrial logistics, this skip loader delivers performance that stands up to the toughest tasks. The High Titan 2.0 doesn't just carry weight, it carries confidence. Meet the Bale Lynx Ultralight Plus, where concrete delivery meets next-gen innovation. This isn't just a mixer, it's a lightweight game-changer. Built entirely from aluminum, the Ultralight Plus cuts a massive 1,000 kilograms off the truck's weight. That means more concrete per trip and less wear on your vehicle. Its dual over-under cement metering augers and Batch Pro Connect system work in perfect sync, delivering spot-on mixes every time. No guesswork, just precision. Need flexibility on the job site? A dual-stage water system and wireless remote let you fine-tune everything without leaving your seat. Whether you're working in tight urban spots or wide-open industrial zones, this mixer adapts effortlessly. But it's not just about convenience, it's about changing the way concrete is delivered. Stronger builds, faster turnarounds, and smarter systems. With the Ultralight Plus, you're not just pouring concrete, you're building the future, one load at a time.